Can Nifty bounce back after a 14-day streak ends? With FIIs buying again and oil prices dropping, we explore a potential rebound before the key US jobs report. Stay tuned for quick insights on market trends and technicals. Heading into the opening bell, GIFT Nifty is seen trading with positive bias, indicating Nifty bulls may aim for a solid rebound. The biggest positive catalyst in yesterday's trading session, the FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 975.46 crores. Investors will now brace for August US jobs report, which will be released on Friday, 6th September. Bottom line, until Friday, when the US NFP will be wired, investors hope that the Fed will be successful in piloting the economy to a soft landing shall keep our benchmark Nifty in the green. Long story short, bulls may aim to regroup. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 975 crores, while DIIs too bought to the tune of Rs 97 crores. Sentiments turns bullish for the day. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought conditions. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is at 14.37 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.62 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 1.04. Nifty outlook, Nifty may trade with positive bias and aim to end in green. Nifty, CMP to 5199. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 25,071 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,335 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,100 and 5350. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 51400. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 50,713 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,000 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 51,200 and 52,000. Bias for Bank Nifty for the day is positive. In yesterday's trade, Nifty stumbled and most importantly, snapped its 14-day winning streak. Blame it on the worries about global growth. The latest update on US manufacturing has brought fear about a recession back to the surface, while China's services gauge also missed expectations. Now, the good news. 1. WTI oil prices tumbled to an 8-month low. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests confirmation of strength only above Nifty and Sensex new historic all-time highs, which are placed at 25,333.65 and 82,725.28 respectively.